guys!
Hey!
It's Sasha, and today I'm with
Rachel.
And today we're doing a get ready with me. We're basically just talking while doing our makeup, and she's getting ready to go to play, and I'm just getting ready for the day. And so, yes, our socials will be down below. Follow us, you know.
Follow us,
add
comment,
us, yeah.
tag, reply.
All that. And yeah, let's just get into the video.
And don't we go this way?
So I'm first gonna start off with my
Primer, right?
I don't even have primer.
Hey guys, so we're just putting on our primer on our face. BT dubs. I'm not a beauty guru, so.
Yeah. I used to think I was whenever I was like 10. I have like videos on my channel where I'm like actually doing makeup, and I think that I'm doing something, like teaching the people, but I'm not. It's okay. A girl can dream.
Never wear makeup, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit more today, or I'm using an actual foundation. It's like a Chanel one that I got a long time ago.
Period.
But I normally just wear like BB cream.
Okay guys, so backstory, I'm going to a show, so kind of have to cake the face.
Yeah.
Period.
I'm kind of like not using any like mirror, so I can't even tell. There's like nothing left in this. I hate using my hands, but we have to.
I would give you my beauty blender if you want to use mine after. I don't wash my stuff either. Is that ugly?
Neither do I. I don't know. I don't have like the actual like serum or anything, so if I do, it's just like washing it with like water and soap, and I just feel like that doesn't do anything.
I have a self tanner on right now, so I look like 10 shades darker than what I usually am.
Yeah, and so all your makeup has to be darker too.
Yeah, I'm using my summer foundation.
How are we doing, first of all?
Terrible. I'm not a beauty guru.
No, I mean like in life.
Oh.
In general. Finish your finals, right? You're on break?
Yes, I am on
Yay.
break. I'm
Stop.
so excited.
Are you going anywhere?
No, because my family, like the other half of my family is going to Dubai for a wedding, but we weren't invited.
Oh.
I don't think my mom knows them that well.
Oh, okay.
It's okay because a lot of my friends are back from college, but then again, I don't really like people like that, so
yeah.
I literally am like so bad.
I hope this looks okay. It's kind of like a no mirror makeup challenge.
Yeah.
I'm just kind of doing what feels right.
Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Are you ever going to start one?
Probably. I don't know.
You should.
I really don't know.
Oh, do you need this?
No.
Okay.
I'm good.
It smells like cinnamon.
Really?
Yeah,
I don't wash it.
It's probably just like all your makeup combined. Okay.
Okay, so what should we talk about? What should be our first subject?
Okay, our first...
TikTok.
How are your followers? Are you gaining them?
Or
have you been slacking?
Well, I haven't really been making like content.
Yeah.
Because I'm a lazy booty.
It requires so much like, well, the ones I see on my For You page, it's like so creative, and I'm like, how do people think of this stuff?
Yeah, like no, I can't.
I don't have the time to sit down and strategize. Like, I really can't think like that. You have like 100K, right?
Yeah.
That's so good.
It's okay. I'm not really trying to gain a lot of followers, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Like, I know a lot of people who are like desperate for them, and like, I'm grateful, but I'm not like, oh my god, give me all the followers.
Yeah. I have like 1,600, and they're all from Musical.ly, so I only get like 10 or 20 likes on mine. It's
Still
okay.
so amazing. Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Are you gonna say this every 5 minutes?
Sorry, it feels weird. We need to talk about something.
Okay. Well, first of all, I just finished putting on my, I haven't been updating y'all. I finished putting on my powder over my concealer and foundation. It's Kevyn Aucoin. Or, do you know how to say it?
Kevyn Aucoin, right? That's how
Aucoin.
Jeffree Star says it. I don't know.
Okay, then if he says it, then it's right.
Period.
Okay.
I don't do concealer.
It's like if you have a good, like, covering foundation, then you don't really need much else. Unless you're like me and you have like one pimple that just needs to be hidden.
Period.
Okay, putting on the blush. This is also, this is Hourglass.
I'm using Hoola bronzer because that's fun. This is my Hoola bronzer, and I'm gonna put it on my...
Are you getting subconscious? It's okay, you're doing good. Keep going.
I'm not a beauty guru.
So she's going to the Nutcracker play. I'm just studying with my friend at Starbucks after this, so I'm not really getting ready. Well, I also have to babysit later, but
Babysitting.
I know. I babysat Thursday night, last night, tonight, and I'm babysitting tomorrow night. It's just been a whole weekend fun of filled with money.
But you're getting the coins, so it's fine.
I know, and they've been really generous this weekend because it's like Christmas. They're like, Merry Christmas, and they'll give me like 10 times or 2 times more than they should have.
Period. That's what we need in this life.
Yeah.
I definitely just put bronzer under my eyes. Don't judge me.
No. Well, that can be like your... Did you put on powder? That can be like your powder.
I didn't put on powder stuff. I don't even know where my eyebrow stuff is. Did I leave it out?
Okay, I'm using my... What is this called? The Becca highlighter in... I think it's called Moonshine. Moonstone. And it looks like that. Yes, ma'am. Sephora brush. And you gotta look shiny.
If we're being quite honest, I need to kind of look hot because a lot of people that hate me are gonna see me.
No, you actually need to look like so good. What else can we talk about while I try and do these brows? Anastasia.
I don't know. I'm using that one too. I'm using the dip brow.
Oh, okay. I like to do the, what's it called? It's just a little crayon thing. And you do that, you have your gel, and then you're set.
I usually use the Benefit Gimme Brow, but my friend has that right now.
I feel like you have to be really talented to use a, what's it called? The little pots. That dip thing.
Really?
I know.
I'm not talented. Guys, I'm being so honest with you. I don't do makeup. So, like, when I do it, I just, like, kind of make it kind of look good, but, like, it doesn't really work. Oh my god. All-time low.
No! It's coming. It's getting there. It's because you always look crazy whenever you don't have your eye makeup done.
You're right.
Your eye makeup completes the whole thing.
Welcome to my Get Ready With Me.
Number 3. What if we do like a shot game every time you say that?
Oh,
I feel like I'm messing up on my eyebrows, but it's okay.
Blush. I'm using the Tarte. I don't even know how to open this. What is it called? Parties, what it's called.
Oh, I have that one!
Oh, really?
I was gonna bring it, yes.
Okay, and I'm gonna just apply it like this. I definitely put too much. It's fine.
I literally can't do brows.
Fun fact, I don't know how to do eyeshadow.
Really? I feel like that's so easy.
I kind of just like slap it on my eye and then I put like a lot of mascara on. So
I just laughed and it moved. Holy.
It's okay. Guys, I also apologize for my house. I'm moving.
It's okay.
So,
we'll forgive you.
I'm going blonde.
Yeah, when?
The 23rd.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I saw like on your, it's either your Finsta or your
my
real
Insta.
Story. Yeah, and I was like, she needs to do it. I miss it.
But then I got a lot of comments saying that they liked my hair dark too. So I'm just gonna put a poll. That's what I'm gonna do.
I mean, do whatever you want because it's your hair. Is that a setting spray?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
The makeup guru.
I don't think I like this. It's okay. The gel will make everything okay. It's not that easy. You should not be easy. Hey. I'm still learning how to do brows because I've never really started to fully do them until now.
I never did them.
I mean, I feel like we both have good brows. Like, we don't really need to.
Yeah,
but it's
but
like
we just like do it just cause.
Yeah, and it's if you beat your whole face, you can't just have like your brows not done.
Oh, this is my favorite Jeffree Star palette, if y'all are wondering.
What's it called?
Androgyny.
It's pretty. Is that eyeshadow?
Mm-hmm. But his
They're so big.
Yeah, his pans are like giant.
This is what I'm using right now. I'm just gonna use the light color.
What eyeshadow did you put on?
I'm about to put on this one. It's just like a light color because
Oh, that's cute.
we're doing a little natural look today.
I'm doing a hooker look.
I didn't even bring
I
it.
have this one.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. This is huge.
Listen,
It's okay.
I don't do eyeshadow.
I actually like it. It gets the job done faster.
I know.
Yeah, honestly, I don't even know what I want to do with this channel. I think I just want it to be more like lifestyle, like helping. Because I had it at first like really like beauty.
Oh, really?
Like centralized, yeah. And it was just like around like makeup, and I had like a couple vlogs up, but
You want to do it just for the funsies now?
yeah. And maybe like just do more like helping.
What's the food that you hate the most?
Okay, I'm not picky, but there are certain things that are like so like yeah, like I just don't like it. Like I don't really like beans. I like refried beans, but I don't like the like whole beans. It makes me want to gag. I don't really like tomatoes on my burgers, but like I like tomatoes by itself.
I don't like popcorn.
Really?
Biggest insecurity.
Okay, you know what's so weird is my biggest insecurity used to be my freckles. I hated freckles, and now people like make freckles, like fake,
like faux freckles.
Yeah, and I've always hated them. I always put on like makeup to cover them because I feel like it just made my face look like dirty or just like not like clear. So that's kind of been it, but I've kind of grown out of that.
I have like when I like sweat a lot or when I like laugh too hard, I have like a vein that pops out.
Oh, I know what you mean. That happens to me too. It's like on the side though, and I hate it.
It just like, and then like I'll take a picture or something afterwards and it will just look so bad and it'll ruin the picture.
Yes! And sometimes you just have to Photoshop it out.
I don't even know how to Photoshop those things out. So like, it just looks like...
You just throw away the whole picture.
I just like, I won't post it.
What is your eye color? Green, right?
Hazel, green, it depends.
Yeah, I feel like mine are low-key too, but mine are a little bit more browner than yours.
I don't know what mine are.
Why are ours like the same? Yours are more like green though.
We look the same.
Yeah.
Look at my lips right now. It's because I put highlighter all over my lips.
You put them on your lips or just fell?
No, I just put it everywhere.
Oh my god.
Oh, BT Dubs, guys. I use the Jeffree Star one. If you don't use it, then I'm sorry. Okay, well, let me put on an outfit. Are you gonna put on an outfit?
This is my outfit.
Period.
Hey.
I'm gonna put on my outfit so that
we can do this thing, you know?
Okay,
and you
ready?
can come back out. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Set.
3, 2, 1.
Hey. We gotta show the whole fit. So, she has her dress.
So I don't have my hair done yet. I'm gonna straighten it, guys. Don't worry.
And the heels. Ooh, girl, she fine. Okay, guys, so that was the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked watching us do our makeup.
Thanks for watching.
Beat our face.
So cute. Comment a red heart if you stayed all the way till the end.
Yes. Oh, look at her.
I'm such a
She's
YouTuber.
And we will see you, or I will see you. Who knows?
We're gonna have a coffee talk later.
Yeah, so stay tuned because she's gonna be in more of my videos and we're gonna get this channel popping again. I'm sorry guys, I don't post on here at all, but I'm gonna get into it.
Yeah,
so yeah,
we're gonna get into it.
Okay,
that's it for this video.
Bye.
See you later.
There you go. That was good.